Hi friends, welcome back to Joe Educare.
In this video, I have explained the problems on single phase transformer. Let's get into the video. The problem is given as the maximum efficiency at full load and unity power factor of a single phase 25 kVA 500/1000 volt 50 Hz transformer is 98%. Determine its efficiency at three different cases they are given. So first thing I will write down the given data. So power is given. kVA is nothing but power rating of a transformer 25 kVA. So you know that 500/1000 volt is nothing but in a transformer that is induced EMF. So when they give 500/1000 and they give two different numbers, the first number will represent primary side. The unit is volt, so therefore this is induced EMF in the primary side E1. The second one is induced EMF in the secondary side E2. So I'll write down E1 is given as 500 volt and E2 is given as 1000 volt. Next thing is frequency is given 50 Hz. They are telling to find the efficiency at three different cases they are given. Efficiency is nothing but represented by symbol neta. So we are going to find out the efficiency for three cases. The same parameter we are going to find. So first thing, before finding efficiency, we will write down the formula for efficiency under transformer. So this is the formula for efficiency. So here X is nothing but load, kVA is nothing but power rating of a transformer, and this is power factor. Wi and W suffix Cu is nothing but losses of a transformer. So this is iron loss and this will be copper loss. So now if I want to find efficiency, that is what which is given in the question. To find efficiency, I need the value for load, that is X, kVA, power factor, same thing in the denominator, and losses, that is iron loss and copper loss. These values I need to know if I want to find the efficiency. So I'll just check what is given in the question. In each case, so first case number 1, 75% load, 0.9 power factor, they are telling to find out the efficiency for the case number 1. So 75% load is nothing but, load is given, load is nothing but, as I told, it is X. So X is given in the first case as 75%. So 75% you need to write it in decimal. So load 75 divided by 100. If you want to convert to decimal, you will get 0.75. So load will be 0.75, comma, power factor is given as 0.9. So write it as it is. So in each case they are given load and power factor. In the second case also they are given as 50% load. Convert to decimal, it will be 0.5. Power factor is given as 0.8. In the third case, 25% load. Once again X will be 0.25, comma, power factor will be 0.6. So this is what they are given apart from the power and induced EMF in the question. So just see each cases in the question. So load is given, load will change, power factor will change in each cases. So if I want to find out the efficiency for case number 1, so load is given, so X will be given, power factor is also given, yes. kVA is nothing but power rating of a transformer. It will be same for all the three cases. kVA is 25. Now in the denominator, which is unknown, the losses are unknown, remaining all the terms which is given in the problem. So I need to find out the losses if I want to find out the efficiency for each cases. So losses will be same, iron loss and copper loss value will be same. If I find out the value, I can substitute for each cases and I can find out the efficiency. So our first target is to find out iron loss and copper loss in order to find out the efficiency for each cases. So how to find out iron loss and copper loss? So just check the question once again. They are given something else in the question. You can just see maximum efficiency they are given in the question at full load, unity power factor of a single phase transformer, they are given the rating is 98%. So they are given something in the question. So this is given in order to find iron loss and copper loss. So maximum efficiency means what? We know the condition for maximum efficiency. Iron loss will be equal to copper loss. So that is what which is given in the question. Full load is given. Full load is nothing but, load is full load. So load is nothing but X, which is equal to 1. Unity power factor. So power factor value is given as unity. Unity is nothing but 1. And efficiency is given as 98%. Efficiency is given as 98%. So just convert to decimal, 0.98. So write down the efficiency formula. Now by using this formula, I'm going to find out iron loss and copper loss. So just substitute the values which is given, which you have written here from the question, to find out the iron loss and copper loss. So X is given as 1. So I'll substitute. In the place of X, it is given as full load 1. into kVA is nothing but, as I told, power rating of a transformer, which will be constant, which is given as 25 kVA. So just in the place of kVA, just substitute 25 into 1000, which is already there in the formula, into power factor is given as unity, that is 1, divide by same thing, x, that is 1 into kVA is 25 into 1000 into 1, plus iron loss is given, so write down as it is iron loss, plus x square, x is nothing but 1, so 1 square into copper loss. Then efficiency is also given, which is given as 98%. When you substitute in the formula, you have to convert it to decimal, that is what I have converted, 0.98. So efficiency will be 0.98. Now you can just see in this formula, iron loss and copper loss is nothing but unknown terms. So I'm going to simplify this and I'm going to find out the value for iron loss and copper loss. I'll explain you how to simplify this. 0.98 is equal to, in the numerator you'll get 25,000 divided by 25,000 plus iron loss plus copper loss. This is what you will get when you simplify. Now you can just see there is one condition given in the question, that is efficiency is maximum. You know that at maximum efficiency iron loss is equal to copper loss. This is what I am going to substitute in this formula. So I will get iron loss. In the place of copper loss I will substitute iron loss, because iron loss and copper loss both are equal. So you will get iron loss plus iron loss will be 2 times iron loss. Now I will simplify this. Just cross multiply. You will get 25,000 plus 2 iron loss, which will come to the left side, which is equal to 25,000 in the numerator, divide by 0.98. I will take it to right side, it will come to denominator. So now you simplify, you will get the answer as, left side it will be 25,000 plus 2 iron loss, which is equal to, now I need to find out the value for iron loss. So 25,000 I will take it to right side. So simplify step by step. So 2 times iron loss is equal to 510.2. So iron loss will be 255.1. So the unit for losses in a transformer, as I told, losses are power losses, so unit will be watts. So iron loss you got the value as 255.1 watt, which is equal to copper loss. So therefore copper loss is also 255.1 watts. Now after finding the value for iron loss and copper loss, we need to find out the efficiency for each cases. So first case, so when that is load x is equal to 0.75, power factor 0.9, we are going to find out the efficiency for this case. So same formula, once again write down the same formula for efficiency. So after writing the formula, we know iron loss and copper loss, the values are, just write down, iron loss is nothing but 255.1 watt, which is also equal to copper loss. So now we will substitute all the values here. So x is nothing but 0.75. So don't get confused, we are going to find out the efficiency for load is 75% load and power factor is 0.9. So that's why when you are going to find out the efficiency under some condition, first write down the condition for which you are going to find out the efficiency, so that after writing the formula it will be easy for you to substitute the value for load, power factor. So now substitute the value for power, that is 25, which is constant as I told for this problem, into 1000, into power factor for this case is nothing but 0.9, divide by, once again load is 0.75 into 25 into 1000 into power factor is 0.9. Now iron loss is nothing but 255.1 plus x square, x is nothing but 0.75 square into copper loss is 255.1. So substitute in this way and simplify this, you will get the answer as 0.9769. So you know that efficiency has to be written in percentage after simplifying. So convert this to percentage by multiplying 100 to this value. So you will get 97.69% after you multiply 100. So this is the value for efficiency for case number 1. In the same way, I will find out the efficiency for second case. Second one, x is equal to 0.5, power factor is 0.8, and the power, that is kVA of a transformer, is 25 kVA, which is constant, and iron loss, which is equal to copper loss, we got the value as 255.1 watts. So after writing the condition for second case, we need to find out the value for efficiency. So once again write down the formula for efficiency. After writing the formula, just substitute all the values. So to find efficiency under this case, so load is nothing but 0.5 into kVA, that is 25 into 1000, into power factor value is 0.8 for this case, divide by 0.5 into 25 into 1000 into 0.8 plus iron loss is same, that is 255.1, plus x square is nothing but load is 0.5 here, so 0.5 square. Copper loss is 255.1. So after substituting all the values under this case, simplify, you will get the answer for efficiency as 0.969. Now as I told you, need to convert this to percentage, just multiply by 100, you will get 96.9% efficiency. In the same way, we are going to find out the efficiency for the third case. So just see the third case where load is 0.25, power factor is 0.6. So once again write down the formula for efficiency. So after writing the formula, just substitute all the values. For the third case, we are going to find out the efficiency. So load is 0.25 into kVA is constant, that is 25 into 1000 into power factor for third case is 0.6, divide by, substitute all the values. So iron loss is 255.1 plus load x square, that is 0.25 square, into copper loss, that is 255.1. Substitute all the values and simplify, you will get the answer as 0.9326. So multiply by 100, you will get the answer as 93.26%. So this is the way to find out the efficiency under transformer.
Bible verse to meditate on.
Check out other videos in my channel regarding Basic Electrical and Diploma Mathematics 1. Please support this channel by subscribing to Joe Educare and click on the bell button to get the notification regarding new videos. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye.